Hello, welcome to the session of how we can use Zoom to enhance our online learning and to make our lessons interesting. So we want to start our meeting. We simply click on the new meeting button, and then because the video signal was slashed, as you could see, you're not going to be able to see my face, but you'll be able to hear what I want to speak and what I am saying as I explain the attributes. So we have my name appears on the screen there, and then our first the action that we want to explain, or first feature that we want to explain, is how to raise a hand in a meeting. So when we want to raise a hand, we click on the raise of a hand button and the hand appears over there. And then when we're done and we want to remove that hand, we simply lower the hand. We want to record, we simply click on the record button and we start recording. Right, let's say we want to invite our participants. We simply click on the invite participant feature over there. And when that happens, this will mean that we can either invite our participants through contacts or through email. And when we do that, we have to make sure that we've either clicked the copy link or the copy invitation buttons, and then that will enable us to invite our participants. Right, let's move on to our next feature. Right, let's say we want to mute or unmute participants. We simply click on the mute button, which is found under the participants over there. Or if we want to have finer details of the whole process, we can click on that button over there and we can click any attribute that we want. It's all at our disposal. And then we move on to the next feature. Let's say we want to share our screen, right? We want to make our screens visible to everyone so that we make our lessons interesting. We have these screens that are at our disposal. We can click any of them, right? But make sure that whatever you choose to do, before you choose whatever you want to do, the share sound and the optimize for video clip is ticked over there. And then that will allow us to be able to share our screens. Also included under the screens is the whiteboard. So we simple, if we want to share the whiteboard, we simple click on the whiteboard and then we simple say share. And then what will happen is that the whiteboard marker will appear. There is a small pen that we'll be using to draw whatever we want to draw, to consolidate whatever we want our viewers to hear or to see or to consolidate. Right, let's say we want to also have an attribute of us changing our host. Changing our host here and there, so that we can either change our host to an attendee or change an attendee to a host. We can simply go to the settings part, we go to accessibility, and then we simply click on any of those features. Participant has raised or lowered hand, that's the host. Or we want to change role change to panelist or to attendee. This is where we click all those features. It's just a matter of a tick. So that is how we can be able to use these attributes to the best of our advantages to make our lessons for Zoom very interesting. Thank you.